Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. I'm Khalida Khanam and today we are going to start the part 4th of class 10th English of chapter number 1, and that is a wrong man in a worker's paradise. So, in our last class, we have discussed up to para number 19. Now, we will go to the para number 20. Okay. But how could a busy person get the better of one who had nothing to do? Every day they met, and every day he said to her, "Girl of the silent torrent, give me one of your clay pictures. I shall draw pictures on it." So let's recap that. See, there was a lazy man who entered in heaven without doing a good job on earth. Okay, and once he met a girl of a silent torrent, means a silent stream. He met her, and the girl always went to the stream to fill her pitchers. Now the lazy man asked her to give her one of her pictures, means a pot, to draw something on it. Okay, every day they met each other. Okay, so day by day, when the day passed, they were meeting to each other. But the girl of a silent torrent, give me one of your clay pictures. So always the man asked that girl to give her pots. Okay. Para number 21. She yielded at last. She gave him one of her picture. Yielded means she accepted or she agreed. Okay. She agreed at last and she gave him one of her pot. Okay. The man started painting. He drew line after line. He put color after color. So he started painting on the pictures. Okay. He drew line after line and he also put the color after color. Okay, para number 23. When he had completed his work, the girl held up the picture and stared at its side, her eyes puzzled. So see, when he completed his painting, he gave to that girl. Okay, the girl held it and started seeing it. Okay, stared means seeing here. Okay, here she started staring, her eyes puzzled, she was puzzled of this painting. Okay, para number 24. Bros drown, she asked. What she asked? Have you drowned the bros? What do they mean? All those lines and colors. What is their purpose? See, the girl was puzzled and asked that. The man laughed. So that lazy man was laughing at her questions. Okay. Then he replied, "Nothing. A picture may have no meaning and serve no purpose." So what he is telling that this picture has no meaning and don't have any purpose. Okay. See, again the girl went away with her picture at home. Away from prying eyes, she held it in the light, turned it round and round, and scanned the painting from all angles. See, she took her picture, which was painted by that lazy man. She took that and went her house and scanning it round and round. So she was trying to find something in that and she turned it round and round. Okay. At night, she moved out of bed, lighted a lamp, and scanned it again in the silence. So, in night also, she did not leave. She lighted a lamp and scanned it again and again. Okay. For the first time in her life, she had seen something that had no meaning and no purpose at all. See, this she was a girl in a heaven, and in heaven people even do not waste a single minute of their life and they don't do any useless work. Okay, so she was puzzled that she had seen the first time that has no meaning, first thing that has no meaning and no purpose. Okay, When she set out for the torrent the next day, her hurrying feet were little less hurried than before. So, as I told you in my last class, that she was very hurried girl. Okay, so her legs were moving in a very rapid movement. Okay, so but next day her legs were not lot hurried. Okay, she was less hurried than before. Okay, for a new sense seemed to have awakened in her, and sense that seemed to have no meaning and no purpose at all. See, she was again puzzled that there is something that has no meaning and no purpose. Okay, she saw the painter standing by the torrent and asked in the confusion. So again she saw that lazy man who was standing by the torrent. Torrent means stream here. Okay, so again the girl asked to that man, "What do you want of me? So how can I help you once again?" So next that person replied, "Only some more work from your hands." So what he replied, "I want some more work from your hands." Okay, what kind of work would you like? This is asked by that girl. What kind of work would you like? So he answered that, "Let me ribbon a colored ribbon. Let me make a colored ribbon of your hair." He answered. So what he answered, "I want to color your ribbon." Okay, and what for? So for what is the purpose to color my ribbon? Again he replied, "Nothing." See, he has no purpose to color her ribbon or paint her pictures. Okay. Next, ribbons were made bright with colors. The busy girl of Workers' Paradise had now spent a lot of time every day trying the colored ribbon around her hair. The minutes slipped by unutilized. Much work was left unfinished. See, when the man told her to give her ribbon that he will color, so that busy girl was spent her time seeing this and tried that ribbon tying in her hair. So he spent his time in a useless work, and her works in a paradise were unfinished, means they were not finished. So in a worker's paradise, work had of late of begun to suffer. Many persons who had been active before were now idle, wasting their precious time on useless things such as painting and sculpture. See, by this man, all the busy persons in the paradise were late, their works were late and begin suffer, and the busy person were now idle. As I told you that idle means lazy. Okay, they were wasting their time like that man by painting and sculpture. Okay, so the elders became anxious. Anxious means they became angry. Okay, a meeting was called. So by seeing all this, that all the busy persons are now idle in, they are wasting their such a time in painting and sculpture, they called a meeting. The elders of heaven called a meeting. All agreed that such a state of affairs had so far been unknown in the history of the workers' paradise. So, this was the unknown history of a workers' paradise, because in a paradise all are busy. Okay, but when the man visited there, they all become the idle. Okay, so the workers' paradise, this was the unknown history in the workers' paradise. Okay, the aerial messenger hurried in, bowed before the elders, and made a confession. Okay, so the aerial messenger, that aerial messenger means the one who passes the messengers through air. Okay, he hurried and bowed before the elders. Okay, he bowed before the elders of the heaven. Okay, I brought a wrong man into this paradise, he said. It is all of because of me. So see, he brought him to the heaven, right? So who brought the lazy man to the heaven? He was Ariel messenger. So he was asking sorry for that elders, that it is all of because me. Okay, so I brought this wrong man into the paradise. So it the all this is because of me. Okay, para number 41. The man was summoned. As he came, the elders saw his fantastic dress, his quaint brushes, his paintings, and they knew at once that he was not a right sort for workers' paradise. See, when the man came to the meeting which was held, as he came, the elders saw his fantastic dress. See, when he came, he was in a something different dresses and quaint brushes that he was holding just in his hands with his paintings. Okay, uh, so they knew that he was not right man in a worker's paradise, because he was wasting his time for no purpose. Okay. Stiffly, the president of the uh, paradise said that this is no place for like you must leave. See, what he is telling, that you have not done any good job, so this is no place for the idler, because you have wasted lot of your time in such a painting and sculpture. You must leave, you should go now. Okay, the man sighed in relief and gathered up his brush and paints, thought that he was releasing from a jail. Okay, so he gathered up his brushes and paints. Okay, he put off his all brush and paints, but as he was about to go, the girl of silent torrent came up tripping and cried, wait a moment, I shall come with you. See, so when he was going, the girl of a silent torrent, who gave him a pots and ribbons, she cried and told him that wait a moment, I will also come with you. Okay, the elders gasped in surprise. Never before had a thinking like this happened in a worker's paradise. A thing that had no meaning and no purpose at all. So, what the elders were surprised that there was nothing before this. All were doing their meaningful work and which has purpose. But when this man came, all did the useless works. So, he removed them out. Okay, the elders removed them out. For whom? For an idler and that girl of a silent torrent. Okay, so this was the chapter number 1. So if you have not understood, you can comment me, I'll once again repeat it. Okay, so to see all my videos, I have made the playlist. You can go to my channel and you can view there, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.